right, good day. We have a Samsung top load washer. We got it in 2020. It is model number WA50R5400AV/US. It's built in 2020, and it's got a little bit of a musty odor to it. So I've already done the self-cleaning cycle, if you will. But I've done some research online. I found a few different tricks. So I'm going to see if any of these other tricks work. The first one I'm going to do is a self-clean, which I've already done, but I'm going to add bleach into it this time. Last time we didn't do any bleach. So we're going to do bleach. And then I also saw that you should take this out, because there's some nasties in here and back in here. And then when this water comes out, it actually flows through there. So let's see how this works. I'll check back in just a few minutes. So I've got the bleach in. I put about 10 seconds worth of bleach in. I'm not sure how much bleach it was, but I dumped it in for about 10 seconds. I took out that center, can't really see it, but there's the center softener and detergent holder that goes in there. And it says it's going to take about an hour and a half. So, yep, I'm going to let this run and then I'll check back once it's all over. All right, so we went ahead and did the self-clean with the bleach. Smells pretty good. It smells bleachy, but I can still smell just a tad bit of mustiness. I did clean this out. And surprisingly, the only place it was really dirty was right in that little crease. Right there by those little dash areas there. There's some built up soap there. So, also took a towel in there, kind of cleaned that out the best that I could. I'm going to put that back, and I'm going to actually pop that out. I believe all I have to do is pop that out. Then there's a nut in there that's holding it in place. I'm going to go ahead and take the agitator off and see what I can find down there. Then I'll see if I can pop this bad boy out here. So we got a flathead. Kind of couldn't hear it. Pop it off. Oh yeah. Oh, that's dirty. Right now, what I don't know is what size. Let's see here. It's a 13 millimeter. Let's try that. Looks pretty close. Oh, that's disgusting. That was a little too big, so we're going to try a 12 millimeter here. Maybe still a little too big. And of course my 11 millimeter is gone, so we're going to try a 13 30 seconds. Ah, there we go. 13 30 seconds is what we need. All right, I had to run and get a different attachment here. So here's the, I'm going to say 13 30 seconds. Okay. And they're pretty good. All right, got that out. Now the moment of truth. I was told all I gotta do is kind of pull up on it. Oh. Actually, not that bad. A little bit. Whether that's causing the musties or not. Yeah, it's actually not terrible. All right, we'll clean that off though. So I know I said it wasn't too bad, but it was really in those crevices down there where it was really nasty at. So hopefully that does the trick. All right, so there we go. So yeah, so I just put it back in. I ratcheted the screw back in. I popped that cap back on, and yeah, I think we're in business. Yeah, there was a little bit of nasties in here. Like I said, onto the inside. In those deep crevices, there was actually a lot of buildup in there. But when I look in here, like along the edge, it doesn't look terribly dirty or nasty. So we're going to give this a try and see if that makes everything a little bit smelly. Well, less smelly. Less smelly. We don't want it more smelly, do we? We want it less smelly. Now, the other thing we're going to do, and it'll be in another video, is clean out all of the ductwork for this dryer. Because my wife said that she's not sure if it's the washer or the dryer. So that's the next thing. So stay tuned for another video. All right, we'll see you.